Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Welcome to my decoration channel. In this video, I will show you beautiful designs of wall clock and latest collection of wall clock. If you are worried about the selection of beautiful wall clocks, so don't worry. I'm here for you and I will help you. In this video, I'm going to show you beautiful designs of wall clocks and latest collection of 2022. And guys, these beautiful wall clocks helps you to play with the visitor psyche and to give long-lasting impression. You can also share this video with your friends and family members. These beautiful clocks makes your home so beautiful and elegant look. So guys, I must suggest you to watch this video till then. Don't skip the video because all the designs of our class are most beautiful and outstanding and elegant look to your houses. And friends, these beautiful wall clocks makes you perfect person, and these beautiful designs makes your home so beautiful. And guys, if you are new on my channel, so make sure subscribe and also like the video and press the bell icon to get a daily update and share it with your friends. And also tell me how was my video in the comment section and which kind of videos do you want to see on my channel. So guys, thank you for watching my video and my channel. I hope you will enjoy. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.